Hello, good morning. There are 10 questions in MCQ as given for you based on chapter 1, class 12 physics. The question is the question is which of the following is not the property of electric charge? Option A, quantization of charge. Option B, conservation of charge. Option C, no additive property. Option D, two type of charge. So you should remember the all properties of electric charge. Here quantization of charge is the property, conservation of charge is also the property, and two type of charges, positive and negative, also the property, and additive property also. But here in option C it is that written that no additive property. So option C is not the property, incorrect. And question 2, the flux of net electric field over a closed surface is equal to A, charge, B, 1 upon epsilon naught times charge enclosed by that surface, C, epsilon naught upon Q, and D, epsilon naught times charge enclosed by that surface. So here in this question 2, you remember the Gauss law. Gauss law is the flux of net electric field over a closed surface is equal to 1 upon epsilon naught times charge enclosed by that surface. So in this one option B is correct. So option B is correct in this one, and first one option C is correct. Now for third question, the magnitude of electric force between two charges is 80 Newton. When these two charges having same separation are placed in water of dielectric constant 80, then force acting is, between two charges force is given as 80 Newton, and if these two charges with same separation is placed in a dielectric in water for dielectric constant 80, then you know the formula F dash is equal to F upon K. Here K is the dielectric constant. So new force will be 80 upon 80, that is 1 Newton. And for B it is written 80 Newton, for C cannot be determined, for D 1 upon 80 Newton. So answer will be A. Now next one, the electric field intensity between two long thin plates having surface charge density plus sigma on plate 1 and minus sigma on plate 2 and separated by small distance. So you should remember the electric field intensity due to a thin infinite plane sheet at a point is given by E equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. So here will be the answer D, sigma upon epsilon naught between two plates. Between two plates. You can find out in the class notes. This was also explained. Now for question 5, the direction of net electric force at the center of dipole of charge plus minus q is towards plus q charge, B, along the direction of dipole moment, C, 0, D, opposite to the direction of dipole moment. So you have to find the net electric force at the midpoint or between two charges. So minus q and plus q are two charges. So direction will be towards minus q charge. Direction will be towards minus q charge. Or direction will be, the electric dipole moment direction will be from minus q to plus q charge. So here in B, along the direction of dipole moment, that is from minus q to plus q, so it will be opposite to the direction of dipole moment. So your answer will be D here. Answer will be D here. And in first one, third question, option will be 1 Newton. Now, in question 6, the relation among surface charge density sigma, charge q and surface area f. So you remember the formula, surface charge density sigma is equal to charge per unit surface area. So option A sigma qs, option B sigma is equal to q upon f, option C q is equal to sigma upon f, option D sigma is equal to f upon q. So remember the formula, and here the answer will be B. The graph between electric field intensity, electric field and distance r from the center of a spherical shell of radius r when r greater than equal to r, capital R, is. So the shape will be, it is asking shape. What is the shape of the graph? Rectangular hyperbola, circle, circle, B parabola, D straight line. So what will be the answer? So for this question, you know, here is electric field intensity and here is R. So in spherical shell, up to R is equal to R, from center, the electric field intensity is 0, and on the surface it is sigma upon epsilon naught, and above it is rectangular hyperbola. So this is the shape of rectangular hyperbola. So you can draw this one and you can answer that this will be rectangular hyperbola. So option A will be correct. Now dBi is the unit of electric flux, A electric dipole moment, C none of the above, D electric field intensity. So dBi is the unit of electric dipole moment, and 1 dBi is equal to 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 30 coulomb meter. So here in this case, option B is correct. Now question number 8 is completed. 9, no two electric field lines cross each other. This is the property of electric field line there, because there will be two direction of electric field at the point of intersection, which is possible. There will be two direction of electric field at the point of intersection, which is not possible. So here in this case, option B is correct. Question number 10, the electric field due to two like charges is 0 at near the charge inside, means between two like charges near the charge inside. Option A, midpoint between the line joining the two charges. C never 0, D outside two charge near the charge. So outside it will not be 0, at infinity only 0, but midpoint between the line joining two charges, it will be 0 if the magnitude of charge is same or near the charge inside. So here correct answer will be A and B both in this section, A and B both. So you can also answer near the charge inside and midpoint, A and B both, because if magnitude is not same, so for a smaller magnitude near between the two charges, electric field will be 0, and for same magnitude two like charges like plus q at midpoint, that is neutral point is called, where electric field is 0. But if plus q and plus 2q, it is 0 inside but near the plus q charge. So these are the answers of all 10 questions. Remember, thank you very much.